When I think of Kadant Carmanah's approach to new product development, I fall back onto our core values, two of which are innovation and collaboration.
Innovation is encouraged across the company. It's a shared effort and it's woven through our culture. It's an open, respectful process. We're open to accepting different opinions, different perspectives, different viewpoints.
We have systems put in place like the Employee Innovation Program, where anybody on the floor or throughout the office can submit ideas to improve a product.
What's most important is that they all collaborate together to be successful. We ensure that sales, service, and with links to the customers, as well as our engineering group, thinking about backwards compatibility of parts, and ensuring that our supply chain, manufacturability, and production control is equally successful.
Incorporating customer input and feedback is critical to our products. We work together as partners to solve challenges and improve our product.
One of the largest projects that we had and developments that we did with customer input was the development of a Gen 2 Strander with one customer that we developed the entire Strander to fit onto an existing foundation.
We came up with a brand new model of a Strander to be installed in their facility.
This was a big leap in trust for the customer. Once we start that process, they will have no production if we fail. And that speaks a lot of the trust they gave in us and the collaboration we had with the customers.
Our long-term approach to achieving success really revolves around our customers' evolving requirements and needs. Everything we do is based on what our industry requires of us and what we believe the potential for the industry is in the future.
We need to be able to adapt to market conditions, emerging technologies, and we need to be able to adapt to process changes by our customers.
Here at Kadant Carmanah Design, we're not only Strander experts, but we're actually strand process experts. The whole interconnectivity of everything surrounding the Strander and the strand that you're trying to produce. We fully understand all the science behind it.
So the development of the Argus camera system was a result of a key thing that mills really struggle with is establishing what strand quality is. We've been able to develop a camera system that measures fines in real time, meaning we can take an image once a second and compile all this information so they have a better understanding of what is the strand quality the Strander is producing. Right now, mills don't have access to that data. It's very limited, and the sampling process they use is very archaic. It doesn't represent what they're actually making at the Strander. So the camera system has been developed to address the need of customers to understand their strand quality.
Our Argus system is a extremely high value product that provides a lot of information with a lot of support that would not be readily available with your own staff. As true subject matter experts, we're coming in as a company that designs the entire solution. We're saying, here is the system, we're gonna grow it with you, and we're gonna grow it to meet your requirements.
If you think of product development, the real base of it is continuous improvement. That's really what you're doing. And you're trying to make a better company, you're trying to make improvements in products, improvement in relationships for customers, improvement in how we service the customers. They're small steps allow you to get to the big steps.